Now, one more classification here. Electrolysis of active electrode. Electrolysis with active electrode. Active electrode. You can observe here. Electrolysis of copper sulfate. Now I am taking example. Electrolysis of copper sulfate with the copper metal. Copper electrode with the copper electrode. You can observe here at the cathode. Reduction takes place already now. Reduction means here copper plus 2 gains 2 electron to form copper metal. At the anode, oxidation takes place. At the active electrodes only oxidation reaction the same metal only. Copper try to lose 2 electrons, Cu2 plus and 2 electrons. That means here at the cathode copper metal is deposited. At the electrode, at the anode, Cu plus 2 aqueous form deposit. This is solid aqueous form. Like that, electrolysis of, if you take silver nitrate in silver electrode, now I am taking. Now what happens, sir? At the cathode here, at the cathode, Ag plus gain electron to form Ag ga convert అవుతుంది. And at anode, this Ag plus ion try to lose, silver metal try to lose an electron. Ag plus ga convert means here aqueous form is formed. Aqueous form of ions are formed. This is information about electrolysis. Like that, nickel electrode, nickel chloride or nickel nitrate dissociated here also. That means electrolysis of with active electrode. At cathode metal is deposited, anode aqueous form of ions are deposited. Okay, this is information about one more electrolysis. And another one is electrochemical process. Electrochemical cell. Okay, electrochemical cell. So what is electrochemical cell, sir? Okay, electrochemical cell is the electricity produced. Electrochemical change occurs due to flow of current. Simply, chemical change and chemical energy converted into electrical energy by spontaneous redox reaction here. Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. You can observe here diagram. There are two chambers over here. This is the anode. This is the cathode. It is connected to the voltmeter. It carrying negative here, it carrying positive. Before electrolytic cell, this is electrochemical cell. In electrolytic cell, Anode carrying positive charge. The polarity of anode is positive. The polarity of cathode is negative. But in electrochemicals, the polarity of anode is negative and the polarity of cathode is positive. Ions are discharged at only cathode here. The ions are deposited at cathode only in electrochemical cell. But electrolytic cell, the ions are the product is formed both the electrodes. Ions are discharged both the electrodes. Okay, here in electrochemical cell, there are two chambers are there. Both the electrodes are placed in different chambers. But in electrolytic cell, both the electrodes are arranged in the same chamber, are placed in the same chamber. Here non-spontaneous redox reaction, here spontaneous redox reaction. At anode oxidation takes place, at cathode reduction takes place spontaneously. That means spontaneous continuously. Okay, these are the differences between electrolytic and electrochemicals. Very easy. Electrolytic cell, chemical change converted into electric energy converted into chemical energy. Okay, the polarity of anode is positive in electrolytic. Here cathode negative charge. Here electrochemical cell, chemical energy converted into electric energy. The polarity of anode is negative. The polarity of cathode is positive in electrochemical cell. And it has two chambers, it has only one chamber. The ions are discharged at both the electrodes here. The ions are discharged at cathode only. It is a non-spontaneous, so this is spontaneous reaction, redox reaction. These are the differences. Thank you one and all.